Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Chevrolet Equinox LT. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.